Okay guys, going to be jumping into gold in just a second, and we're going to be buying it. So let me flick this over. We're currently at 9.53 on this account, and if I flick it out to the hourly, you can see it's still on a merry run. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pop a trade in above the current candle that's running. Now I'm going to be putting it as a buy stop, move price into action, but I'm going to go in a little bit more expensive than I normally would, just like so, and I'm going to follow this candle on a 15-minute. So I'm going to leave it where it's at. Now let's get a little bit of a target in here. So if I just pop that into place, and just put a basic target in so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, right, so that's like a fiver up to there, which is all I need. Why do I only want to go to fiver? Why not push it right to the very top? Well, if I just open this up, I'll be able to show you. Now let me just widen that out a little bit so you can see it. We're currently in 91 against us. I'm not overly fussed about that at this moment in time. Well, there we go, starting to surge. So if I just pull the journal up, I'll be able to show you, or at least I will do in a minute. When I wake up, it's bad getting old, you know, boys and girls. So I got the suitcase over there because I'm going on holiday on, well, I was going on Monday, but I decided to go on Tuesday. I'm going to have an extra day. On Sunday, rather, I'm going to have an extra day. I'm going to take Winky to a swanky restaurant and nice hotel and give her a good time. And that's the whole idea. Right, sorry. So, let's pull this up. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to build up some trades. Okay. So we're currently the 10th. We're at 9.53.66. 5 is my day investment, not trade investment. And I'm running at 30p a unit, and we are doing GoldenEye long this morning. Why are we going long? Well, let me tell you. Let me just put that out the way. I want to put the extra order in. As normal, I should have had it in, but I was talking to you lot and I missed the extra position, but it doesn't matter. Just drop that to there. Okay, it's racing away. Now, if you notice in this, I only have to do 282 per day because that's the given target for the month, but we have smashed it. Absolutely smashed it to smithereens. Oh, talking of things to smash to smithereens. Ooh, that was rude, wasn't it? You're going to get smashed to smithereens on Sunday night, I know that.
Is that true?
Yeah, she promised me. I've already worked this out, gave it to the guys, told them what it is that I'm looking at. Now, what we're looking at are buys. It's predominantly a buy today. Now, it says no trade because it's looking across the whole spectrum, and it's because I would have to wait for the low time frames. However, this is a scalp. I'm taking what I can see in front of me, looking for the morning surge, and it's predominantly buying. Right, okay. Boom, that's it, we're done. Don't need to do any more. It's Friday. It's a dangerous day to trade. I don't like trading Friday. This particular account, I am just following the rules of the daily monetary allowance. Now, some days it surges. Like if you're watching NFP and you can see a news, or yesterday with Bank of England, it'll surge. And if you're prepared for it and you can see it, you can make your money. Well, I've made £3.06, so I'm quite happy with that. So I can drop that into there, 306, and that's it. Bing, bang, boom. We are done for the day on this. So this account is now surging along wonderfully. Now, I will be trading it every day next week while I'm on holiday. It's a working holiday. Just because I'm having some time out doesn't mean to say that I can't enjoy myself. I certainly can. So, what's the moral of the story here? It's very simple. You get your early morning coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. We plan the day, had this all planned out, wait until 7 o'clock. Now, sometimes that surge comes in really quick. You can get it done. Other times, the pending order just sits there and you've got to wait half an hour to get the trigger. But as soon as it's triggered, you start managing it. And instead of looking at pip counts, I'm looking at monetary counts. So it's 30p. Doesn't sound a lot, but it did 10 pips in, well, as you say, very quickly. Didn't take long at all. Get the money amount that I want. It's greater than the daily allowance that I'm after. Walk away. That's trading. Doesn't matter that it's only £3, because it could be 300 quid depending on the size. Because if I was at 30 quid a point, it would be 300 quid. And then wouldn't you be happy with that? But no, you get greedy. And greedy takes money away from you, doesn't give it to you. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, and above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.